Hey guys, real quick, I'm just going to show you how you can set up your credentials and call any of the Google APIs. Any of these, plus YouTube. Just to be clear, I am on the self-hosted version of n8n. I'm pretty sure it's easier to do if you're on the cloud-hosted, but just for good measure, I'd watch it anyway. So go ahead and click into your node, whether it's Gmail, Drive, Sheets, or even YouTube. And then when you click Create New Account, head over to the Docs. Click on Google OAuth 2 Single Service. Well, first you need to create a Google Cloud account. And then scroll down to this section right here. You can read through it, but just click on the first step, which is creating a Google Cloud Console project. After you create your Google Cloud account, click on Console. So when you go back into the console, you're going to click My Project up here. I think it'll say like Create Project. So I'll just go ahead and click New Project. Name it whatever you'd like, and then go ahead and work inside of that project. So you're just going to have to click it. Next thing you want to do is enable your API. So go to APIs and Services, enable APIs and Services. And here you want to search for any and all of the nodes you plan on using in n8n. For most of you just starting out, it's probably going to be Google Sheets or Gmail. So I typed in Sheets, click on the API, click Enable. All right, and if you see Disable API appear, you know you're good to go. The next thing we're going to want to configure is this OAuth consent screen. So just go ahead and click Get Started. You're going to need to create an app. I'm just going to name it n8n Demo. And then just click on your email for the user support email. Click Next. Just go ahead and select External. Click Next. And then just add in your email address again. Click Finish. And then Create. Now we need to actually create our OAuth client. Application type is going to be Web App. You can name it whatever you want. And then we need to add our authorized redirect URI. So click Add URI, and then go back into the node that you're trying to configure, whether it's YouTube, Gmail, any of them, and then just copy the OAuth redirect URL. Go ahead, paste it in, and then click Create. You now are going to have your client ID. Click inside of this web client or whatever you named it, and then it's going to generate something called a client secret key. This is basically like your API key. You want to keep it safe, and you can only copy it once before you can't copy it again. So make sure you save it in like a safe space. So go ahead and copy the key, paste it where it says client secret. You also want to copy the client ID, paste it where it says client ID, and then it's going to ask you to sign in with Google, but we have to do one more thing real quick. First, click Save, go into Data Access. This is where you're going to add what are called scopes. To click Add, honestly, you might as well just click all of them. Once you have them all highlighted, click Update, go down to Save, go back into your node, click Sign in with Google. Make sure to click the email that you used to set up your cloud account. This probably won't pop up for you unless you're on the self-hosted version, so I'm just going to continue to go to my website, click Continue, account connected, now you're good to go. If you want to join a community of like-minded people who also want to learn how to build AI, make money with it, or even implement it into their own business, check out the AI Growth Lab.